try lah, just see your reaction. Okay, never mind, these some bloopers only lah.
It's a new day. We're heading to factory coffee today, but then before that we're gonna get breakfast, Chinese style breakfast, which is their Michelin guide wanton mee. Is it? I'm not sure. And then we're gonna go Pratunam morning market. No, it's not. 这个米其林的嘛，我不懂。I'm very hungry actually. Right now.
One piece is real.
我今天没有带我耳环，我完完全全没有带，我已经trauma了。I dropped one of my Swarovski earring, 500 ringgit one. Then I only have one more left.
A bit soury.
Yeah. Cheers.
Please exhaust.
Yes.
怎样？好吃吗？你们两个觉得好吃吗？美山呢？咦，很少分享哦。
嗯，所以不可以 share 了。这样快吃了这个。Is it good? Me?
Not bad 啊，吃这个好吃啊。鲜鲜的。
Rating? Oh, 10.
这个我给7。
还有这样高啊？
Yeah, I'm hungry now. Bangkok recently do lesser already because he gave his cousin food.
它的鸡蛋没有 overboil 哎。
Always travel one.
When that time you come to our Sisma, it's just to
It becomes strong.
actually got our new girl
想看好吃啊，非常。
expect come always come, not always I think
非常甜好吃。
才是那个米，
Who Chris?
里面好吃。
里面好吃，里面好吃。
Most probably.
Good.
Good.
It's good. We finished lunch / breakfast. We're gonna go to 是咯 heading to Pratunam market.
POV POV of smelling. Yeah, so right now, one person is chasing us.
my fucking right leg. My right leg again.
下面 fluffy.
What do you think, Chad?
I think it looks a bit like UE. Like UE, you know?
Here we got Tevin.
圣诞节的
Kena Cangkalang.
Cangkalang.
Here,
Kalang ah.
here very 乱 see. Suddenly this one come also. You know.
人家在马来西亚是海嘎浪，我们这边就是乱嘎浪。来看一下。
Okay. So what do we have here?
what 地方都有卖具有的，具有又有这个 bomber， 又有那些。不要讲了，要下记忆了，不要了。来看看一下啦。这里就是软饭的。
Yeah, not bad.
香港那个
Oh, sorry.
可是有点偷哎。
So what did you get?
I bought this for my popcorn. And it's 300 baht.
Okay.
We're like shopping for 海滩衣 beach wear. Let's 现在去哪里？不累吗你？我们现在去哪里
Factory Coffee。
耶！2点半了。
你要问他，有可能他不懂我们去哪里。
Kevin，我们现在去哪里？
卡布加。Coffee factory 啊。BKK not the HQ.
OK。After 1 year, I'm back at Factory Coffee.
叫什么也是讲多人喝，
迟来就是会so out so sad，
早来哦。
要早来。
Pass me a bowl.
Take it easy, bro.
They recommend this one.
What?
Okay.
This is meant for mine already. One. Actually, the Supreme, I come here, I will still order this one.
来喝咯。
You must see the skull one. Smells a bit like mocha.
想喝吗？
Not bad, 好喝耶。
好喝是不是？
Yeah, very good.
The Moscow。
那还有这样。
甜甜的。It's like. So what is this?
Mrs. Cole。
Try and see.
Wait, plans.
Wait, yeah. You try lah. Just see your
我要
reaction
拍
only.
照贴，都看。
Okay, never mind. This some bloopers only lah.
Wait,
Okay, you try yours first.
Mrs. Cole。我这里是不是有咖啡
It's okay.
？Mrs. Cole。
Okay.
那你排到那么近。
甜甜的。You satisfied? Okay, that one try.
两杯都好喝。
Still taking photo.
你喝这个，
Try
不过我
this.
觉得你会喜欢这个多一点。
Still taking photo.
这个比较甜，因为上面很 creamy。
可以啊，你加一个糖。
Okay. Pretty alright.
它是
I like this one more.
I know。
So I'm finally drinking already. Oh, you're still taking photo or really drink? Drink already.
来 ，first taste。哎，会很烫吗？
Wow, it smells like chocolate factory. I really smell very chocolate.
Can win golden ticket.
Chocolate, I got the golden ticket. That is the Charlie chocolate. But not scaring anyone, but nice. Yeah.
你闻一下。
你吃这个吗？ So it's 4:30 p.m. in the afternoon, and we have decided to come to Som Som Seafood to have our early dinner because it can get really crowded at night. It was basically almost half empty because who would even have dinner at this time? So why not?
See your nails. Cannot focus. Alright, let's go.
They're like restocking this. You want 哪一个？
我要 chocolate。
Also want chocolate.
我要 original。
Pick one.
I think they're quite famous for their flavored milk and also their toast dessert, but we already had our dinner and we weren't really that hungry, so we just skipped it, but you can definitely try.
我们试试看。好的。
甜甜的，淡淡的甜味，很好喝。
好喝。Not bad.
像那个 China 的那个旺仔鱼
This one what flavor? Chocolate. Dutch lady.
很像 Milo。
Milo. Try the breast milk and see.
Oh, okay.
This one is a Thai breast milk.
Oh, nice. Tastes like Dutch lady.
No breast.
Breast. Just like Dutch lady. But like that.
到你喝了。OK， 来。好喝吗？
听了没有那种 HL 的那种味道。
味道啊。
Yeah, not bad. But I'm only excited for the chocolate.
这个好喝。我要看你怎样 describe 这个 chocolate。
quite 浓啊。
你觉得它像 Milo 吗
我的 Milo truck feel。
？OK， 来 ，strawberry。
OK。
我喜欢 artificial strawberry 的味道。
artificial。
因为I don't like real strawberry。
这里可能那种很假。OK。
怎么你先走？
It's like the artificial。
我可以闻到了哎。我要大吉利的 strawberry milk 哦。
这个不要。
Not nice。quite nice。
幸好的是
Original。That's the most normal one.
Okay, so if you have done your research before coming to Bangkok, then you will know what is JO Chula. And I didn't know that it's just around the corner. The line was so long, so we've decided to skip it. Obviously, we don't know any Thai language, and we met this driver who doesn't understand any English, and we had the funniest and most random conversation about fake luxury watches.
Rolex Cup A, number A, yeah, AA, yeah, yeah. Pate,
Patek Philippe.
Pate, 1,500.
Also, he kept telling us that we should eat the seafood in Yawarat, which we didn't know where it was until he showed us around. Chinatown, that's what he meant. 我们现在 Icon Siam shopping, more like window shopping. So that's all. And we took a very interesting Grab car with a very interesting Grab car driver. Very funny guy. So right now we're just chilling around Icon Siam. Then 我应该是不会 vlog 很多，就回去准备睡觉。The next day, I guess. Test run the luggage bag. Anyway, this is my personal opinion. I feel like you can skip Icon Siam because there's not much to buy. I would rather go back to Central World again. The bad thing about this mall is they kind of forced you to take their taxi service because we couldn't get any Grab car at all for like an hour plus. I don't know if they blocked out the Grab service or what, but it was really hard to get out of here. See, oh my god.
Ini check ni, random check ke hari ni 36.
So to end the night, we went to 7-Eleven and Burger King to get supper. So that's basically day 3. Stay tuned for day 4.